POV, you're making $3,795 every single day online making Fortnite maps. And that is exactly why today I'm going to be showing you the exact necessary fundamental steps and requirements you guys need to literally just copy me at the palm of your fingertips and achieve the same success making money online making Fortnite maps, just like this game here, which is making $10,000 a day, which only dropped 3 days ago. So it doesn't matter what stage you guys are at watching this video, you're going to learn the exact necessary steps and requirements you guys need to get started making money online making Fortnite maps. And to make it easier for yourselves, everyone who joins the Discord in the link in the description will get a free pre-made successful map that they can literally just repost and make thousands of dollars a month, and it doesn't matter what skill set you guys are at. Join the Discord in the link in the description. Of course, this video is going to be completely run unedited, so if I stutter, bear with me. Let's get right into it. Let's make you guys all rich making Fortnite maps, because this is the POV of how I'm making over $3,700 every single day online making Fortnite maps, and let's show you guys exactly how you guys can achieve the same results too. Alrighty, so how do I actually make money online making Fortnite maps? Davey, what is a Fortnite map? How do I get started? How do I achieve the same success just like you are? Well, if we head on into this website here called Fortnite GG, I'll retype it in so you guys can understand. It's right here, Fortnite GG. What you guys can essentially do is get an estimate of how much people are actually making. This is the website where you guys want to be tracking how much money online the best maps are making on a day-to-day basis. Because if we look here, this map right here by Hive, 1v1 with every gun, has 52,000 players, right? That was its peak. And it's making over $1,100 every single hour, which is $25,000 a day. And if you put that into calculations, that is around $1 million a month. That is unheard of for a video game company giving out money to the fans and consumers making products in their game. Never has that ever happened, and that is why Fortnite is giving out 40% of their monthly income and revenue that they make per month to the top people inside of the space making maps. I'm one of those people included. If you guys look here, the average map creator has an average map count of 7, which means that every map they make, they're only making on average 7 maps before they quit, which means there's a lot of financial upside and return for you guys to get inside of this industry. Because if we look here, only 13 people have made over $10 million, which means that that's $130 million that they gave out last year just on 10 people. Okay, that means you guys can fully capitalize on the actual benefits of making maps. But to actually get started, all you guys have to do is search up Fortnite Epic Games Launcher. And essentially what that is the platform where you're going to download UEFN, which stands for Unreal Editor for Fortnite, which allows you to actually build games. Of course, guys, you do have to be 18 years of age to actually get started, but you guys already know that. But if you want to bypass this, literally just use your parental guardian information. It is really not that hard. A lot of people confuse it. They think, oh, I got to spend money. Oh, I got to be a certain age. You can literally bypass it with your parental guardian information. Show them this video. I'm sure they'll be more than motivated to want to help you when they see the financial upside of making maps. So once you guys have actually downloaded the Epic Games Launcher, all you literally have to do is open it up and go ahead and go to the search bar at the top here, and you will search up Unreal Editor for Fortnite, just like this. Unreal Editor for Fortnite. Like I said, guys, this video is going to be completely run unedited, so if I stutter, bear with me. I like to keep it authentic. I like to keep it all fresh. But like I said earlier, guys, everybody who joins the Discord will get a pre-made free map that they can literally just repost. So I'm going to be choosing this pillars map right here and posting it and showing you guys how much money I'm actually making. And if you guys want these maps as well, literally just join the Discord so you guys can get yourself started, because that's what we're going to be doing. Why would you not join? It's completely free. And we have a whole network of people making millions of dollars a month inside of here. But we're going to hop onto UEFN and show you guys exactly how to actually learn UEFN. How do I actually make a map? What am I looking at? I'm going to show you guys exactly what you guys need to know. If you don't know, I just launched a brand new program called the Fort Mafia Inner Circle, where you can get connected to 6 to 7 figure Fortnite map creators, network with influencers and celebrities, master UEFN and verse coding, pre-made, ready to post templates, and more, which is in the link in the description. Okay, so we are inside of UEFN. For all of you guys watching this video, some of you are familiar with UEFN. A lot of you guys don't understand what you're looking at, right? So this is exactly what you guys need to get yourself started. UEFN is the platform and the playground to actually allow yourselves the capability to make Fortnite maps and profit off of it. So this is the map that we're going to be loading into, okay? So what I want you guys to do is go into island templates. We're going to load into a flat Excel grid island. I'm going to walk you down exactly what you need to do to make maps. Then I'm going to load into the free maps so you can get in the Discord and post them and show you how they're making thousands of dollars for everybody inside of the Discord and just people on Fortnite making maps themselves. Because why would you not want to save yourselves time and the headache of making maps where you can literally just post a map that's already made for you and innovate off of it? Like I said, guys, the discovery will impact the results of your map if you just upload it flat out. You have to be specific with the criteria and details that you want to transmit inside of your Fortnite island. You actually have to be super specific when you guys are making your maps. It needs to be out of the ordinary. It doesn't have to be so niche, but it does have to have a lot of details, colorful engagement, and it needs to be actually appealing to players when they're actually making your maps, which will show you a replica of what I actually mean. But pretty much what you guys want to do when you load into UEFN, WASD, this is what's going to guide you through UEFN when I'm moving. And you hold the right click on the mouse, right? And you can move around and panel through. If you guys want to change your camera speed, you can go to the top right over here. You'll move around. And here at the bottom right, we have the content drawer. This is pretty much all of the contents that Fortnite has in store for us, which we can literally just drag out. For example, if we want to drag out AI or audio devices, we can literally just drag it out just like this, right? And we can move these arrows here and it will move it up and down and left and right. My webcam may be covering it, but right here it is scaling, as you can see, right? And if you guys want to scale it here, you can right here. But this is essentially how you guys want to be making your maps. And of course, if you want to copy and paste things, hit Control-C, Control-V, and you can drag things across just like this and copy and paste all of the items inside of your world. But that is not what we're here to do today. I'm here to load into the free pre-made maps to help yourselves get started. And we're going to load into this realistics map right here. Here we go. So we're going to load into this nice, awesome realistics map that you guys can literally get for completely free. Obviously, guys, I have mentoring and coaching if you guys need that help and assistance to propel yourselves forward on your map making journey, on your rise to power, on your rise to success, and making money when you guys are making your maps. We have 220 students inside of the Fort Mafia inner circle, one-time payment, where I will mentor and coach you and show you all of the unique strategies and secret tips that you guys need to propel your Fortnite map making journey and make yourselves more money online. So if we go here, here's the realistic Fortnite map, okay? This is what you guys need to be building when you guys are making your maps. This is a full island that you guys can actually have. I'm going to load into another one because, quite frankly, this one isn't as good as the ones that you guys can choose from in the Discord, of course. We'll go into this red versus blue one. This is the actual most profitable maps that are making the most money. These are the most generic, but they also have the most high returns and profitability when you guys are actually making your islands inside of Fortnite. Because the top red versus blue guy, he's in the Discord. He's made over $20 million with literally just one Fortnite map. Okay, so there's obviously a lot of benefit when you guys are making your islands and experiences for kids to play, because you guys are making games for kids at the end of the day. You have to realize that we're creating core childhood memories for these kids that are playing your maps, okay? So here we have this map right here, red versus blue. Sometimes the computer will freeze on you, and this happens at any computer. When you're first loading into a project, it has to render all of the shaders and scripts and assets right here at the bottom right. And then you can load into here, and here we have a nice Darth Vader versus Luke Skywalker, red versus blue. This is perfect for May the 4th be with you, Star Wars Day, which is why people are posting these maps and making thousands of dollars a day, making islands and experiences for kids to play, right? So here we have this nice, beautiful map here, which you guys can get into Discord. And of course, guys, obviously I have tutorials where I can educate you guys, but this is essentially how you guys want to be getting started. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Make sure to claim your free pre-made map in the Discord in the link in the description. It's been a pleasure having you watch this content. Let me know what types of videos you guys want to see next in the comments down below. It's been your boy Davey Davis. Click the last video on the screen, businesses and sponsorships. You can reach out down below. Just send me a text message. You got my email. Without further ado, I'm out. Peace. Fuck it. Here's how I make over $237,000 every single month online making Fortnite maps. So you guys can literally just replicate and emulate and copy me at the palm of your fingertips. This video is going to be completely raw and unedited, so if I stutter, bear with me. And just a disclaimer before the video starts is that this was held in my inner circle meeting for Fort Mafia 2.0, which is in the link in the description. So this content that you're seeing is super, super exclusive. So I highly advise you guys to stick around and watch this video until the end. Without further ado, let's get right into it. Welcome to the Fort Mafia 2.0 inner circle beta launch waitlist content and videos. Inside today, I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how to actually come up with good ideas inside of your games. Okay, because I know a lot of you guys, we go into Fortnite GG, a lot of cool random stuff here. We don't know what we're looking at. You guys don't know what you're looking at. So today, I'm going to be showing you how to actually come up with good actual ideas when you guys are actually making your games. Because if we go onto Fortnite GG, what are we looking at? You know, how are these people coming up with these cool ideas? And they're averaging thousands and thousands of players. Like if we go to this one here, Mega Ramp Survival, 45,000 players in 20 hours, and it's made around $700,000, which is Obviously, millions, bro, in whatever respective currency you're from, country, whatever. So today I'm going to show you how to get good ideas. This is what you guys want to do. So I want you guys to write down 3 feelings and 3 things you like to do and enjoy to do as a kid. So for me, the most important things that I like to do as a kid was biking, playing Skylanders, and playing Pixel Gun 3D and mobile games. This is where I'm going with this, okay? So if we go here and we search up create me Fortnite map ideas based around these 3 feelings, because you guys got to remember is that we're creating games for kids and we're creating childhood memories for these guys. We're shifting and creating a paradigm, mindset, identity, everything. Like these are things and stories that they're going to be telling when they're adults to their own grandkids and everything, right? This is what we're doing for these people, which is a blessing. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. Create me Fortnite map ideas. I want you guys to do this as well, based around these 3 feelings. Okay, so the games and the feelings that I had associated were happiness, excitement, and addiction. I'm super jazzed, guys. I cannot spell. These are the games I enjoyed as a kid. Skylanders, Minecraft, Pixel Gun 3D. So you're going to see, as I press enter here, it's going to create games that I enjoyed as a kid, because these are the things. See, as you guys can see here, it's updating memory. Here are 3 Fortnite Maps ideas based on happiness, excitement, addiction, inspired by Skylanders, Minecraft, and Pixel Gun 3D. What we're doing here is giving you guys generational wealth of ideas, because you're pretty much creating your old childhood. Like these are things that you enjoy to do as a kid. Like you literally enjoy doing these. Like you're writing down your own synopsis, own dissection of yourself, and you're reimagining it and making it into Fortnite Maps, because the feelings that you had when you were younger are the same feelings that these kids have when they're playing games. Does that make sense? So that's what we're doing. So if we look here, Skyline Showdown, Blocky Builders Royale, Pixel Mayhem 3D. It's insane, guys. And if you guys look at my testimonials here, I want to show you guys something. The same person who used this method was XMB, who's made $156,000. He reached out to me in my Discord, just like all of you guys have, and he said, Davey, I'm stuck. I don't know what to do. So what we did at the time, he made this game, and it's made over $150,000. It's made in Creative 1.0, and it was last year in January 26th. This is insane, okay? And these next videos coming up, I'm going to teach you guys how to learn UEFN, the basics, the advancements, how do I do custom importing, verse code, marketing, promotion, thumbnails, ideas, every single thing you can think of, each and every day, every 24 hours, 24/7. Love you guys. Thanks for joining the waitlist. See you in the next video. Welcome to the second module in the Fort Mafia beta launch Inner Circle 2.0. Last time we talked about how to create good Fortnite map ideas, and we went over how to actually dissect what you went through as a kid, because they're the same things that kids are enjoying. Do you not think that people aren't going to enjoy Minecraft still to this day? They're literally launching a movie that's going to do $1 billion in the box office, right? Like, we're creating games for kids, and now I want to talk about how you guys can stand out from the competition and others. And it's your own uniqueness. That's what actually makes you stand out, because these go hand in hand together, you know? Because psychologically, the way that I'm standing out right now is because I'm enthusiastic. I have my own personality. I'm believable. I'm confident. I've good intentions with what I'm doing, right? Because I'm not going to lie, guys, your game has to have the same identity. If we go through all of these games here and we take a little look-see, like Chill Guys Pillars, okay? Guy was in my Discord server as well. All of these people I've helped out personally with my own content. They're watching the same videos that you are. They're just applying the information a little bit better than you are, which is why they're having success. So if we go here and we look at Fortnite GG, this guy has made $460,000 since just November. That's insane. That's unheard of. How is he doing this? Okay? Because we have this genre called the Pillars. How is he making his game stand out than other people's? How is he standing out? We go Pillars. We search up Pillars here. Look at all of the games. Look at all the games. They all have thousands and thousands of players. Why is his standing out than the others? Well, if we look here, Chill Guy was a meme coin. If you guys know about Chill Guys and meme coin and trading, this is what you guys want to be doing to stand out. You want to have competitive advantages and stand out ahead of the other market. And this is how you do it, okay? So go into ChatGPT and search up, what are 3 ways to stand out of the competition, of the rest of the competition, okay? Because I want you guys to understand that the ideas are within you, okay? And it's what you instill, what you want to create inside of Fortnite. It's nobody else's fault except your own, okay? You are the only one to blame. So this is what you guys want to be doing, okay? With the ideas that I gave you in the last module yesterday, I want you guys to talk about the things that you enjoyed to do as a kid as ideas. Because when you go back onto ChatGPT and we look here, Skyline Showdown, Block Builders Royale, all of these games are making us stand out from the competition. They go hand in hand together. And you can make thumbnails out of this. You can learn verse code out of this. You can use Versify, which will give you free credits instantly. All you have to do is join my Discord in the link in the description. It's insane what you can do, okay? So the best way to stand out from the competition is your personal brand, uniqueness, and self-identity. And the way that you build all of those is by trial and error and repetition. There's no other way, boys. There's no singular other way than rinse and repeat until you defeat and fail. And you keep trying and you keep trying and you eventually succeed. But then you're going to fail more and more and more. You succeed once, you fail a whole bunch of times, you succeed once, but you're always chasing the highs. You're always getting up and up and up. You're never declining. Okay? Stay sharp, everyone, okay? This was the second video on Fort Mafia 2.0 Inner Circle beta launch. Let's go to the third one. So all you guys have to do is search up create me similar games to whatever genres or ideas that you guys like and base it off of Fortnite maps that are popular today. And as soon as you press enter, this is exactly where the magic happens. Because if you guys are looking at my screen, here are 3 Fortnite map ideas based on Skylanders, basketball, and soccer while incorporating elements that are popular and trendy in Fortnite today. So here we have the first one, Skylanders inspired adventure map. PvE, PvP Skylanders adventure with elemental islands, fire, earth, water, air, mixed with tilted towers and puzzles and elements and AI bosses, and the last survivor wins the game. And Sky Stadium, where it's a fast-paced futuristic basketball game where players can power up an ability and dunk on their opponents. And the trending inspiration is from Octane Racing like Rocket League, because obviously Rocket League got acquired by Epic Games and they sold their business and company. So it's very fascinating what you guys can actually do with map making, because if you guys are looking here, we can jump through all of the collections and genres. Like nobody's even playing these Fall Guys games. They're doing terrible. Yet this game right here that only averages 100 players a day is making $7,000 a month for only averaging 100 players a day, guys. 100 players. That is monumentally insane. And that's why I'm making millions of dollars for my clients inside of the space making games, which is why you guys definitely need to purchase the Patreon in the link in the description to get started making games. It's literally $15 for 25 custom games that you guys can repost and make thousands and thousands of dollars a month. Because if you guys are looking here, there's 1.9 million people playing Fortnite. Almost 2 million. And in the last 24 hours, there was 3 million, and they peaked around 14 million 2 months ago with the Juice WRLD live event, which was phenomenal and amazing. And if we come over here, there's only 41,000 people making games. And that's all because of me. I've generated at least 30,000 people inside of the industry. I'm number one in the entirety of the space on YouTube, and there's 12 people that's made $10 million. I know majority of the people that have made that money. I've helped them. And it's kind of insane the impact that I can have on millions of people. You know, 11 people have made $3 million. That could be you. I want you to use this video as motivation and join the Discord, get the Patreon, get yourself started. Okay? Because there is cost to this. It's either your time or it's money helping you make games. That is a sacrifice. It's months on end getting nowhere. Or you can shortcut the process and join my community and have thousands and thousands of people help you make games, because that's all I'm trying to do. That's why this video was kind of clean cut, barely any editing on this video, because I'm trying to speak to you, right? I want this to be the biggest business. I am going to make it the biggest business. I have a software company that's going to be $1 billion business. We're selling that to Epic Games, and that allows you to build full custom games with AI. It's insane what we can all do together when we stand together and unite and become the best of the best with our capabilities, our thoughts, beliefs, actions, habits, everything. We can do it. All right, I believe in you. So if you enjoyed this video, let me know your thoughts down below. Join the Discord, get the Patreon, click the top video that's on your screen right now. It's an amazing content piece of work that will help you get started. Businesses and sponsorships, you can reach out down below. It's been your boy Davey Davis. I'm out. Peace.